All right, everybody, this is the Netz Arbeiter Challenge from EchoCTF, located at the CTF Beginners Network. So this is essentially it's a web app challenge. What we need to do first is we need to access this challenge. So the challenge has a description. It says Netz Arbeiter is your dedicated worker. So it says this system utilizes the same techniques as many famous web-based cryptocurrency miners. Be patient and pay close attention to your browser requests. So pay close attention to your browser requests. So for this challenge, we're going to need to use the Burp Suite program. So I'm just going to start up the Burp Suite program inside of Kali Linux here. So we can start up a free version of Burp Suite, which comes with Kali Linux, and we're going to be accessing the challenge through the Burp Suite browser. So to people who don't know, Burp Suite is a very commonly used web app security testing tool, and almost all professionals who work inside of web app security testing use Burp Suite on a daily basis. So what we're going to do inside of Burp Suite is we're going to go over to the proxy tab, and then inside of the intercept subtab, we can click on the open browser button over here. And this is going to open up the Burp Suite web browser. The Burp Suite web browser is going to proxy all of our web requests that are sent through the browser to Burp Suite. So we got the Burp Suite browser running over here. We just need to get the link for the challenge website over here. We're going to copy the link, and then we're going to go over to the Burp Suite browser and paste it in. Okay, so this is the website here. So it's Netz Arbeiter, and there's a little field here. It says, can you guess the flag? Okay, so it says here, can you guess the flag? So we can just put in anything over here, and then it says try harder. That's pretty familiar. Anyways, let's go back to our Burp Suite. So Burp Suite recorded all of the requests that were made through the Burp Suite browser. So we also got this JS query over here, and oh, we got this, the worker. Okay. I mean, could it be that it was just because it was really, really slow? Yeah. Okay. I mean, there's a flag inside of this file that we receive over here. You know what? I want to talk about this. I want to talk about what's going on inside this application. Okay, so Netz Arbeiter, we're talking about HTTP response analysis. So if you examine the traffic sent between the server and the client, we will see that we make a request to the jQuery.worker.js endpoint. So this is the stuff that gets sent back to us after we send a request. So if we look at the response from that endpoint, because it's a JavaScript file, we will see the code contained within it. So anytime you can see some JavaScript, you're going to be able to see all the code inside that JavaScript file. But in this case, it actually has a flag. So in a pen test report, if we were to report something like this, where there's some sort of sensitive information inside of a JavaScript file that's sent as part of a regular request, this kind of vulnerability would fall under the client-side storage of sensitive data vulnerability or hard-coded secrets in JavaScript. So this, for some reason, they tell us in the challenge that the system utilizes the same technique as many famous web-based cryptocurrency miners. Be patient and pay close attention to your browser requests. So I guess eventually, if you contact the web app for long enough, it'll just send information from the worker.js file. So let's go back. Inside of worker.js, there's the flag over here, and all we need to do is just copy this and supply this as the answer for the challenge. So let's go back. and supply this as the flag. So we've submitted this before, so it's just going to tell us that we got this before, but that's okay. All right, everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the Netz Arbeiter challenge over at EchoCTF as part of their CTF Beginners Network. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time,
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.